Hey guys, welcome to another video of our Casually Explained series. Today we are going to talk about baby teeth. These teeth are sometimes known as deciduous teeth and sometimes as milk teeth too. They are first set of teeth in human development. Although you see them few months after the birth, the journey of their development starts even before the birth. When the embryo is 8 weeks old, there are 20 teeth buds present in its mouth. These buds continue to grow until they erupt in mouth around the age of 6 months. There are 20 milk teeth and they are of following types. The first teeth to emerge are 4 front teeth or central incisors. Next are 4 lateral incisors between 9 to 6 months of age. These are used for biting. The first molars are next to appear between 13 to 19 months. They help in grinding the food. After that, 4 canine teeth appear. 4 second molars are last to appear between the age of 22 to 33 months and they are used for tearing the food. These milk teeth not only help in food intake but they serve some other functions too. These are essential in the development of mouth. They play vital role in maintaining jaw and the bones. They provide guide for eruption or replacement of permanent teeth. Milk teeth are also important for the development of child's speech and their beautiful smile. As these are not very strong, their replacement, which is known as exfoliation, begins around the age of 6 years. This process usually completes around the age of 12. But the milk teeth can persist longer than that, sometimes even in adulthood. If you do have baby teeth in your adulthood, then share your story with us. And to know why do some people have baby teeth in adulthood, watch this video. For more such interesting scientific videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.